In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excalidraw in Claude. Now first, you want to go to the top left here and click on Customize, and you want to click on Connect Your Apps. Then you want to search for Excalidraw over here, so just start typing it. There we go, it's over here, and you can simply click on it and click on the Connect button over here. That's all you have to do. You don't need any accounts, etc. It's automatically going to connect. If I go to Connectors up here, you can see Excalidraw is connected, and then over here you can go to View Details and basically see all the tools you can use. Now let's actually see how to use this. It's actually super simple. You want to open a new chat or an existing one if you wanna, and you can just start typing in whatever you want connected to Excalidraw. So for example, I have this prompt over here where I'm just going to tell it to draw a simple diagram that shows the process of a person going to YouTube and then searching for his favorite video. Then of course you have to start by opening YouTube, then the use search bar, find the video, click on it, like, subscribe, and also comment, which by the way you should too on this very video. Now, whenever you do that, whenever you type in or describe your, of course, your whatever you would like to see in the diagram, whatever, you can just paste it, and you'll see that it's actually going to start processing. It's going to start loading tools, and then Excalidraw will do the work. As you can see over here, I'm actually going to click on Always Allow, and it's going to kind of start. It's loading tools. It says readme over here, and there we go. It's going to start building it, and it's basically creating like a view over here, and whenever it's done with this code, you'll see that it's actually going to give us the finish end result. Now of course you can refine these prompts as much as you want, and the more you refine them, the more accurate of a result you will get. Now here in my case, I just gave it a simple prompt, but I could go ahead and of course, for example, tell it to create like a prompt for itself. So you could use Claude to actually tell it, okay, like create a prompt for yourself to create this type of, for example, like a diagram, and it's going to do that, and then it's going to of course start loading for a bit, and when you click on Always Allow over here, when it's done, it's going to show me the diagram. So as you can see, there we go, here's our diagram. I can open an Excalidraw or click on Edit over here, and it's going to even allow me to edit it directly in here, and I can see it's basically exactly what it is. It's Excalidraw over here, exactly what I asked for, and I can go ahead and even add things. I can go and change things, etc. Okay, which is very, very convenient. And if at any point you simply want to open an Excalidraw, click on this button top right, and you're good to go. Now that's essentially how to use Excalidraw in Claude. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.